Hi, I'm Dipankar, and today we are going to talk about the product availability feature and when exactly to use it. This product availability feature should only be used when you want to offer a particular delivery method like local delivery, store pickup, or shipping for only a certain set of products, or when you want to block a particular delivery method for all your other products, right? So in either of the two case or a combination of two, this feature will is extremely useful. So let's get into it. So let's say I select products tagged with, and then I can select a tag, and the products that have this tag will be allowed to check out. An important note to consider here is that any product which does not have this tag will not the customer will not be able to check out that product. So use this carefully. So for example, I can put a tag local and add that tag and go ahead and save it. Now in my Shopify store, if I go to my products, if you see, I have these few active products, and let's say I want to only allow local delivery for my muffins and cookies, and pastries and everything else and cakes have to be picked up from the store. So I select my muffins and cookies and I go in here and I add that tag which I selected there, which was local. I add that local tag and I save it. So as soon as I save it, if I go to my store, ideally if the customer picks up any of the products which was not tagged with local, which is anything else other than cookies and muffins, they shouldn't be able to check out from the store. So let's say I go ahead and add this to the cart, and in the cart, when I'm trying to do local delivery, it says local delivery is not available. Products in the cart are not available for delivery because of the particular reason that it does not have the local tag attached to it. Similarly, if I let's say I have one product which has the tag and one product which does not have the tag, so the almond cookies do have the tag local, but even in that case, because one of my products is still not deliverable and it is counted as a single order, local delivery is not available in both the cases. But if it were just almond flour cookies, ideally the customer should have been able to do local delivery, and you can see that on the screen here and pick a date and check out. So that's pretty much it about product availability. Again, I want to reiterate, any product which will have the tag that you have configured in the product availability setting are the only products that your customer would be able to check out. Checkout will be blocked for any other type of product or any other product category. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos.